In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project in Asana. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly export your project data whenever you need it. Let's start from inside your Asana workspace. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at the main dashboard where your projects are listed. The very first thing you need to do is select the specific project you want to export. You can do this from the left-hand sidebar or from your projects list, depending on how your Asana is set up. Take a moment to double check that you're opening the correct project, especially if you manage multiple similar ones so you don't accidentally export the wrong data. Once you have opened the project, you should be looking at its main view, usually in List, Board, or another layout depending on your preferences. Now, look towards the top of the project window. You'll find the project name, and right near it there will be a small arrow or drop-down icon. It's easy to miss because it's quite small, but this is where many of the project level options are hidden. Go ahead and click on that small arrow above the project. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to the project's settings and actions. Take a second to let the menu fully expand so you can see all the available choices. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Export or Sync. This is the key item you'll use whenever you want to take your project data out of Asana. Click on Export or Sync. Once you do, Asana will typically show you different export formats or syncing options, such as exporting to a spreadsheet format. At this stage, simply choose the export option that best fits how you plan to use the data, whether that's for reporting, backup, or analysis in another tool. After you select your preferred export type, Asana will generate the file for you. Depending on your browser and settings, it may automatically download to your default download folder, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. Once it's saved, you can open it in your chosen program and work with your project data outside of Asana. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported a project from Asana using just a few clicks.